this is what a lot of, I think, graduates don't understand. The power of your connections on LinkedIn is just unbelievable. And I'll give you a little example. I'm currently trying to help a friend who's trying to look for a different job. And every time a role comes up on where they find it on Seek or wherever they find it, they let me know and they say, hey, Jared, do you know anyone that works at this company? I look up the company on LinkedIn and I see who I know that works there. And then so far, there's been 3 times I've known someone that's worked at 3 of the companies they've looked at. I've reached out to that person directly and said, hey, you guys are looking for this role. Can I refer someone to you? Without LinkedIn, I would never know that person worked there. So this is why the CV is a sort of tick the box thing, but you should spend your time building out your LinkedIn contacts, because you will apply for a job one day and one of those contacts or a friend of a contact will work at that company. And then bang, you actually now have a warm application, right? You have cut through all the noise and all the mess. You're accessing the hidden job market and you're getting through in a much safer way that is going to give you success. So connections on LinkedIn, I think, is the most important thing.
So we've spoken now that CVs are not the be all and end all, although we have addressed it. It's important to have one, important to have a covering letter, but just as important, if not more important, LinkedIn.